Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. This is the lecture for class 6 English. Today the lecture number 4 of week 1. We will discuss essay guided writing discipline. On discipline. What is discipline? Nazmo Zabt. What is discipline? Nazmo Zabt. So have a look on the outlines. First of all, we will introduce our topic discipline. So we should introduce it. First outline was introduction, then importance and types. Importance of the discipline we will discuss, and after that we will discuss the types. There are two types of discipline, for self-discipline and induced discipline. Advantages of discipline. What is the advantages of discipline? What is the benefits of discipline? We will discuss in this point. After that we have the need of it in modern age. You know very well we live in a modern age and we have a lot of luxuries of life, and we use it but having no discipline. So we will discuss here the need of it in modern age, and after that we will conclude our topic. So our today's essay topic is discipline. You should write to your own self. I will just give you the sample of the essay. You can use these outlines for creating your own essay. Okay, first you will write an introduction of the discipline, then importance and types, then you can write the advantages of discipline, the need of it, and then you can conclude it. So students, it's up to you to create it by your own self. I will give you the sample of it. I have written for you. Discipline means practice of training people to obey rule. This is the introduction. It means that I am defining what is discipline. Discipline means practice of training people to obey rules. It means that discipline is something that keeps each person in control. It motivates a person to progress in life and achieve success. Obviously, if there is a discipline, you will get the success. If there is not, you have nothing. Everyone follow it, but in different ways. Everyone follows it, but in different ways. Follows आएगा यहाँ पे ऐसा आएगा. Everyone follows it, but in different way. So this is the introduction of the topic discipline. After that I am going to tell the importance of discipline. Beside, everyone has its own prospect of discipline. Different people have different kind of discipline, and they have the different meaning of it. Okay, some consider it part of life, but some don't. Some consider it that it is a part of life to be disciplined, but some don't think like that. They don't like to spend their life as disciplined. Okay, but in reality it directs a person. It is the advantages and it is the need of it that it directs a person on the right path. ये सीधे रास्ते की तरफ इंसान को डायरेक्ट करती है, यानी उसको बताती है कि ये सीधा रास्ता है. ठीक है, ऑन द राइट पाथ. विदाउट इट लाइफ ऑफ अ पर्सन विल बिकम डल एंड इनएक्टिव. विदाउट इट यानी इसके बगैर क्या होती है, लाइफ इंसान की डल हो जाती है और इनएक्टिव होती है, क्योंकि उसको पता ही नहीं होता उसने कौन सा काम कब करना है. ओके, इट मेक्स थिंग्स ईजी फॉर अस. इट हेल्प्स अस टू मेंटेन लाइफ एंड हैंडल problems so far. After that I will discuss the types of discipline. Discipline has two types. First one is induced discipline. This discipline is you can say that when we see the others and we follow them, that is called induced. जो दूसरों की तरफ को हम देख के अपने आप को सुधारते हैं या ठीक करते हैं, या जैसे वो काम करते हैं उस तरह से, उसको हम इंड्यूस्ड डिसिप्लिन कहते हैं, यानी हम वो दूसरों से सीखते हैं. ठीक है. एंड सेकंड इज सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. और जो सेकंड होता है वो सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन होता है. वो ये होता है कि जो हम अपनी तरफ से क्रिएट करते हैं अपने लिए, for betterment of the life. Okay, induced means something that other taught us. We learn by seeing others. While self discipline come from within and we learn it in our own self. Important thing is that self discipline requires a lot of motivation and supports from other. Self motivation, self discipline is like that. If someone motivate us, we make ourselves more disciplined. If someone praise us, that when someone says that he's a disciplined man, so we appreciate it and also motivate more us to be more disciplined. Above all, following daily schedule without any mistake is also part of being disciplined. Above all, following daily schedule without any mistake is also part of being disciplined. If you are disciplined, then you do not make mistakes. It will help you to dig out from the mistakes. We need discipline because it demands for modern age. For example, in modern age we have a lot of luxuries of life. If we maintain discipline, then we can balance our life. If a student just plays game or keep on going, if a student has a game PlayStation and he is always keep on playing the games and do not give time to his studies and family, so what will happen? He will not achieve, or he will not get the success in life. So playing, then when he will give them to his studies and family. Discipline meaning all different for everyone. The meaning of the discipline, everyone has its own we can say that definition. So it changes according to student. It means that to do work on time, that is called discipline. It changes with the stages of life and priority. Discipline is a staircase by which the person gets success. That is the need and that is the advantages of the discipline. In conclusion, we can say that it is very important for everyone and also key of a successful life. With all this discussion and with the outlines, we can say that in our conclusion that it is very important and also a key to get a successful life. So after that, at the end, I have write the quotation about it. As Jim Rohn says, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. So students, these I have shown you, these are all related to these outline discussion, and now it's up to you to solve it to make a essay on the topic discipline, and you can take these outlines for it, and you can make your own outlines as well. Students, now we have extension work. After the essay writing, you will learn these three words. First word is conflict. Conflict is noun. Suspect is noun. Prominent adjective. What is conflict mean? Conflict mean तनाज़ा या टक्कर. जैसे हमने last पढ़ा था disputed. That is also linked together. We can say that both are synonyms. Okay, conflict, noun, tanaza ya takkar. I have made the sentence for you to make it easy. You can make your own sentences as well. Ali has conflict with his cousin. Ali has conflict with his cousin. Suspect, it is a noun. Mashkook, kyas, mushtaba. Okay, he ever suspected her foolish thoughts. ही एवर यानी वो हमेशा मशकूक ही रहा है, क्यों? उसके फुलिश, उसके बेवकूफ़ाना ख़यालात के लिए. Prominent is an adjective. It means that Namaya and Mumtaz. You will make the sentence of the prominent, and after that you will learn it by heart. That will help you a lot in your vocabulary. After that you will translate these 5 sentences. You will first write the Urdu of it and then you translate it. These are related to present continuous. Present continuous is RM plus ing form. Okay, first one is आलिया चाय बना रही है. सलमान नमाज पढ़ रहा है. सलमान is saying prayer. ये भी कह सकते हैं, या सलमान is offering the prayer. Okay, क्या अफजल भाग रहा है? मैं सोने जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू स्लीप। क्या हम खिलौने नहीं खरीद रहे हैं, दिस इज नेगेटिव प्लस इंट्रोगेटिव, सो द राइट ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ इट, दैट आर वी नॉट बाइंग ट्वाइस क्वेश्चन मार्क। So first of all, write these 5 sentences on your notebooks, and after that you will translate into English, and these are all from present continuous, which we have already done and practiced. This is your also the practice. So students, your diary, today's your diary is learn word sentences. These are the word sentences. 2 I have done, and third one you will make to your own self. After that you will do translation. These are the 5 English, these are the 5 Urdu sentences. You will make it and translate into English. After that write an essay on topic discipline. You will write the topic, you will write the essay on the topic discipline with the help of these outlines. Okay, Allah Hafiz.